graphing a linear inequality on a number line. All right, so stuff is making noise here. Graph the inequality below on the number line. So they're going to give you an inequality. We may need to simplify it, but this one doesn't actually need to be simplified. So what we do need to understand is how to graph an inequality. So first, we have to go to this number on the number line, -3. So that's the first thing they did here, was they put a dot on -3. And then x is less than or equal to it. So, and this is one of those things too, and I'm going to write some notes over here. So if we have either one of these symbols, then we want an open dot on our number line. So open. If we have an equal to sign under them, then we need to do a closed dot. And what that tells us, looking at the number line right away, is that it's included. So if it's got an equal sign on it, then we need to close it off, saying it's included as part of the answer, because the part that we shade in on a number line is the answer, or the potential answers. So we have to include the actual dot if it has an equal to sign under it. If there is no equal to sign, if it's just less than or equal to, less than or greater than, saying my words wrong here, then we leave it open. And the open dot means that it's not included. And then we have to deal with this less than. So less than simply means, well, we want numbers that are less than -3. So we go in the direction of the numbers that meet that criteria. So we want to go to the left. If it were greater than, we'd go to the left. Geez Louise, we'd go to the right. I'm having trouble talking tonight. All right, so let's go ahead and clear this out. Oh, you know what? I don't want to clear the whole thing out because I want to leave my little notes here. So I'm just going to erase this bit here. And then we're going to go ahead and get started. And hopefully, yeah, that's not in our way at all. All right. So for this part, we want to grab our dots, but we need to decide, is it closed or is it open? So I'm looking at this, it's just a less than sign. So remember, there's no equal to sign under it. That tells me I want an open dot. It means that the answer is not included as part of the dot. The dot's not included. So I want to go to -9, and that's where I'm going to start all of this, and I'm going to put my dot there. So now I'm going to grab the line tool, and it's either going to snap to this side of the line or that side of the line. So I just have to decide, is it less than or is it greater than? So B says less than -9. So I want all numbers less than -9. So I want my line going to the left. So I click, and if I unclick the line tool, we can see it. So this is the answer. That's all we want to do there. All right, next one. So we need to decide, is it open or closed dot before we get started? So we come back to our notes here. It's a greater than symbol. So it doesn't have any equal to underneath it. It's just greater than. So I'm going to click my open dot, and then I'm going to go to the 7 here. So I'm going to click 7, and now I'm going to click my line tool. Again, it's going to automatically snap, either going to the left or going to the right. So it says B is greater than 7. So I want numbers that are bigger than 7 or greater than 7. So I want to go to the right. So I click, and there we go. I have my line, and if I unclick this, we get to see it. So it doesn't matter if you leave this clicked and just leave that yellow part on there. It's not going to mark you off or anything like that on the when you click check. Okay, one more of these. So now we need to decide opened or closed dot. That's our first step. So we have a greater than or equal to. It's got this equal to line under it. So remember, that means that we want a closed dot because our answer is included in this dot. So now we're going to go to the 8, and we're going to put our 8 there, and then we're going to grab our line tool. Now we need to decide, are we going to go left or right? So B is greater than or equal to 8. So if I go to the left, that means I'm getting smaller. I'm getting smaller than 8. I want it greater than 8, so I click on the right side there. All right. And that's graphing a linear inequality on a number line. Let's clear that, and we finished it.